Good morning. Welcome to the gym. It's a Wednesday morning. Today's our active rest day. So we're going to get a Pilates routine in. Pilates routine is called Flex Your Torso. It's got a couple of good moves in it I like the lateral flexion and neck pulls. The neck pulls are basically hamstring stretches and gets a good glute stretch in and all that. So the lateral flexion is kind of an oblique stretch. You'll see you kind of laying on the ground and you're tilting your body one way, and getting a good stretch out of your obliques. I like that stretch. So anyway, it takes about 5 minutes to get this done, and we're gonna get that done, head out on a walk. Most likely just be a walk only. I may get a little bit jogging in, but I hadn't decided yet. So I may spend this week just walking and easing back into it, and then hit the old jog splits next week. So anyway, welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. We've got a good routine in front of us. Let's get this stretch done, get a walk done, and get on in the house and get the things done because I got to work today. First day back at work after a couple weeks. I always say you punish yourself by working harder so you can take off, and then you punish yourself when you get back to catch up. So anyway, we'll see what happens. So anyway, welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. Let's get our stretch routine done, get some longevity training in so we can meet age with grace, folks. Let's do this. Let's hit it. All right, we've got Wednesdays done. So Wednesday's in the books. We've got the active rest day for the week and the midweek complete. So we'll be back out tomorrow for back routine. Not sure what the lifts will be. My son will probably put that together. Well, hopefully. He just came back from vacation on Sunday, and I built my own workout on Monday. I'm not sure if he kind of followed suit with me. Wasn't sure what he intended for me to do, but usually we start with an endurance phase. I figured it'd be good for me to get a break in, so I just continued with the sets of 10. So that's probably what tomorrow will be, was sets of 10. And most likely pull-ups, band-assisted pull-ups, so anyway. But today, the Flex Your Torso routine went well. Got a good stretch in the glutes and hamstrings and the lat and the old obliques. And also that tailbone curl, got a good stretch in the lower back. That felt good. So yeah, no, they all feel pretty good. So the good stretch routine, and then went out on a walk, and I did jog one stretch and then a partial. The partial was at the very end where I usually do my cool down. I thought I may as well jog it, but down to the driveway, into the driveway, so did that. So yeah, felt pretty good. It was a jog only. I didn't even get close to where I left off. So it was a slow jog just to kind of get the feel of it. So anyway, got that done. So we're done with Wednesday. We're heading it on in. Gonna get this work day started and over with. We're on the hump day. Nice to start the work week on the hump day. So I don't mind that. I'm starting on the downhill side. Or just a slight uphill. We're just coming over to crest, aren't we? So yeah, hit lunchtime and then we'll be down the hill. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Wednesday. Let's get over this hump and on to Friday, folks. Let's get on down the hill. So you guys take care, be safe, get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right, we'll see you. Take care. See ya.